Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your password from your Windows. So guys, without wasting a time, let's start this video. First of all, you need to go to your Windows icon, or you can press Windows plus I to go to your setting. After setting, go to your accounts and go to sign in option and click on password, and here click on change. You need to give your current password and click on next, and in this option new password, confirm password and password hint, you need to select this blank. You don't need to give any password in this area, so simply click on next and click on finish. So you can see changing your password. When you restart your computer, you can see the no password is appear in your computer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.